It's race day. Woo.
I wonder if they could run up here with a wheel before the end of practice. Well, I'm just on the bottom section and I got a puncher and I wanted to do the last jump. I haven't done it yet this morning. So I made Joe run up with a new wheel so he can fix my puncher. Here he comes.
Mobile mechanic, are you, sir?
Timing you.
Go then. Joe. Oh, no. I was like,
So quick, no one even noticed.
30 seconds, I reckon. Perfect. I didn't think you'd make it. Now I have to do the jump.
Last night we were just thinking it was going to be a write-off. The rain came in so hard, it was thundering and there was just a deluge, but it's actually done the track a lot of good. All the open bits are like damp dirt, so you can really rail into stuff. The woods are a bit greasy, but as you can see, it's so sunny, it's drying really quick.
Like a bat.
We're about to get fried in the sun in the finish area. Waiting for Rach to come down for World Cup finals. Man's it on, round 6.
Wait, number 1, Rachel Atherton, ladies and gentlemen.
I think she's punching.
Rachel
Easy through here, Rachel, easy.
Yeah, this chick is choking on the socials.
No.
Rachel!
World Cup champion! Woo!
10 seconds.
That was sick.
You've won the overall.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
That was sick. That was wild. World Cup overall, 6 out of 6. Winner.
It's hard because like everyone's getting punchers and I thought I had a puncher like in the last rocks and this morning I got one and Joe ran up and gave me a new wheel, so I didn't want to do the same mistake, so I kind of went a bit slower, and apart from that I had like a sick run. It was meant real good, kind of perfect run really for here. You can never like have a clean run and I just wanted to smash it but I didn't want to crash, so I was like ah! It was sick, so much fun.
Go on, boy! Come on, team! Come on! Second. Oh, third. Shit.
Best result. I'm more stoked because I'm like still riding with an injury and it's such a brutal track. And I don't know, if I had 2 shoulders, what could I do?
Débute maintenant avec G. Atherton, le père de Rachel. Atherton on his way into the top 10, 4 ou 5, 7 months, ça c'est pas le cas aujourd'hui. 4-0-7, 2-7-5, alors 7e pour G. 7 points pour G with the
Oh boys, nice one, dude.
4 more to go.
Same as qualy.
Time, was it? Couldn't really dig in.
This is awesome, best day of my life. Look at their faces. What speed did you get?
I think you were 4th fastest overall.
I bet it's wrong.
everybody.
It's like flat. Anyway.
We don't even know.
Well, we're just looking at the speed traps. Apparently, I had 73k and she was like 71. Tay was like 70. So that is pretty cool. I was fully death grip like that on my front brake. The back brake was like nearly finger
I
there.
want to see what time it's on. Like when you get the speeding ticket, you can get them to show you like when
Yeah,
it
the
was
photo.
when it was last checked.
No, but G can like lift like double what I can lift at least, but he's not double the speed of me, is he? So in theory, I'm a better rider.
It's not a bad one.
Fair point. It's mental. That's what I mean when I just said to Happy, like, that shit.
The Parkins are listening to it because they feel like they should because they're polite.
Honestly. Because you're like, the
No
most
one else
tired,
is.
you see it.
Factory Racing!
Sign up.
That's nice down here, isn't it?